Good morning, Astabil Company.
Hi, good morning. How are you doing? How are you going today?
Good, thanks. How can I help?
Perfect. Sorry to bother you. My name is June from AUBC Building. I came across for your project. Project name, CCS Company, listed in Cordell Connect. And I was hoping to speak with the person handling the project for tender costing.
What's this regarding?
We're a quantity surveying and cost consulting firm, and we're also builders as well. We help with BOQs, tender support, and project costing with guaranteed 10 to 14 days turnaround. So I wanted to briefly introduce our service for this project.
You can just send an email.
Absolutely, I'll send that through now. I just want to make sure the right person sees it because we've recently opened a spot for a guaranteed 10 to 14 day turnaround on BOQs and tender support. Just so I address it properly, would you be the best person handling the project? Project name? Project CCS?
That would be...
Okay. Perfect. And what would be the best email for them? You give the email then. You give the email then. Perfect. Just verifying that repeats email slowly while typing.
Yes.
Great. Thank you. I'll send a short now regarding to our builders, direct costing, and QS support for the project CCS. Also, just they don't miss the opportunity of the turnaround slot next week. Would it be already if I give them a quick follow-up call tomorrow afternoon? Just a quick 10-minute intro.
Sure, that's fine.
Perfect. Appreciate that. I'll send the email now and follow up tomorrow. Thanks again, Ella. Have a great day.
No, just send the email first.
Oh, no worries at all. I'll send everything through so you have our detail on file for future projects. Thanks again and have a great day. Stop it.